Hi there, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can apply filters and clear all filters in Power BI using text boxes and actions. This is a great technique for building user-friendly dashboards where report consumers can quickly control what data they want to see. Sometimes when users interact with reports, they apply multiple slicers and filters and they struggle to reset the report back to the original state. As report developers, we always want to make this experience as simple and intuitive as possible. And one effective way to do this is by using text boxes that behave like interactive buttons. So in this video, I'm going to show you how we can create two buttons, and one is going to apply the filters or slices, and then the other is going to do the clearing job. So without much talking, let's get started. So based on this report, I've got this cluster column chart that displays the total sales by product, and of course I've got this total sales, average sales, and total units in card visual. And of course I've got these two slices which allows me to filter these three elements on this canvas. So for example, let's say I want to click on the bank transfer under the payment type slicer. This is going to automatically filter all the visuals on this canvas. And I'm going to, let's say, click on this manually on the account manager slicer, and it's going to automatically filter as the second level filter. So that's not bad anyway, but I'm going to clear all the filters from the two slices. So I'm going to proceed to insert the rectangle shapes element, and then I'm going to include the apply all slices and clear all slices. So let's say I can do all of that. So in the insert menu, I'm going to just come to this element tab, and I'm going to click on the shapes, and I'm going to, I can use anyone is fine. So let me just use this grounded rectangle, and I'm just going to place in it. So let me just resize this and make it much more better in it. So I'm just going to move this in it. So I can, do some couple of things like maybe clearing the fill and so on and so forth. Let's do that from the format shape. So I'm going to come to the shape style, and then I want to get rid of the fill because I don't want that. And then I'm going to maintain this border, and then I want to come to the text. So I'm going to expand the chevron, and I'm going to call this one apply or slicers or filters, anyone is fine. So I'm just going to copy this, and let me just move that a little bit. So let's say we want to change the font. I'm going to just use the Arial black, and let's just bump this up to maybe 12, and that's good. So I'm going to Ctrl C and Ctrl V to create a duplicate of this, and I'm going to call this one clear all slicers. Okay, so that's fine. So we have the tool. I'm just going to click on the apply all slicers first, and then we're going to apply the all slicers in the action. So I'm going to toggle this on, and I'm going to expand the action, and then I'm going to choose the type of action I want to invoke. So I'm going to choose the all apply all slices, and then I'm going to select the second one, and this is going to be to clear all the slices. So I'm going to choose the clear the last one at the bottom, and let's test this. So I'm going to click on bank transfer and the cash, and you can see we've got this not yet applied command at the top here, which is really good. And let's also include the presence norm and feed added as the two account manager from the slices. So you can see these are not yet applied, which is really cool. Now to apply all the selected data points from our slices, I'm just going to click on this apply all slices. So control click, and you can see all of these are now applied, which is really fantastic. Absolutely cool. Now to clear all the slices or the filters, I'm just going to come here and then do control click, and then the data is back to the original state. So this is how we can control what data you can see, and if we have many slices applied, we can easily clear them off without any much struggle. So I trust you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like, share, and comment, and follow me for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Cheers.